Snake, born in 1929, 1941, 1953, 1965, 1977, 1989, 2001, 2013, 2025. Lucky color in 2026, champagne gold and teal blue. As wise and mysterious beings, snakes benefit from gold's abundance and teal's calming insight. This combination attracts wealth and emotional clarity. Tip: use a champagne gold wallet or teal accessories to amplify money luck.
Every morning brings a new promise. And with the right sunscreen, I'm ready to meet it head on. Whether it's a walk at the park, a day at work, or a weekend adventure, bare-faced tinted sunscreen keeps my skin protected and radiant. Stay protected even on your bare-faced days. No fuss, just natural-looking beauty and confidence all day long.